Hey guys, welcome back to another zpoltunboxing unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at the MPOW Flame 2. So actually this has been with me for 6 months now. I actually forgot I had this sport wireless earphone, and at the back of course you do get that kind of sports kind of design with that ear hooks. And this is something that you like of course for exercising, and this is one of the most popular sports exercising wireless earphones, because of course it has that ear hooks, it has that beats esque kind of design. But of course you do have very nice price at around $20. Of course we're gonna take a look at this. Of course this again just an unboxing video, because we're gonna do a full review in the zpol channel, because I need to use it first before I do a review. And of course for our wireless stuff, you need to use it on a day and check it outside in the mall if there's no issues. So taking a look at inside, of course you do get a nice case. Oh, $20 you get the case. Important reminder, earphone only can be charged 5 volts, adapters, wireless headset manuals also nicely boxed, I would say. In terms of the overall specs, wireless connection, crystal clear phone calls, optional earplug sizes, IPX7 waterproof. This is what you need for exercising, comfortable wear, and carrying case, and not a lot in the other side. Wireless standard 5.0 Bluetooth, that is what you need. 13 hours of playtime, 300 hours of standby time, and 150 milliamperes. Operating range 10 meters, so when you're gonna exercise at your home, you should be able to cover a room inside, and charging time 2 hours. Right, so not a lot in the box, and actually you do get a very nice case, so nice value right there. And this is actually a fairly hard kind of case, MPOW also. And of course inside you do get the earphone, and I got the black color, which looks really nice. Of course inside you do get USB, micro USB, additional sets of tips, and of course you do get that organizer, and of course some fins, which is really nice value, guys. So for what you're paying for, you're getting a lot for your money. And you do have additional sets of tips also. Wow, there's a lot of stuff that you include in the box. Of course the unit itself, this is it. It has definitely that kind of Beats-esque kind of design, and actually the look is really nice with that all black kind of look. And you also have a flat cable, which is something that you like actually, because it won't tangle. Even if you just throw it inside your bag, it won't tangle in your bag. Of course you do get that MPOW kind of logo, and I need to remove this because I want to try it out here in this unboxing video, just maybe a quick try. So of course in terms of the length, it's not that long, but it's quite long but not that long. So this will go around your neck easily, and there's an organizer here for sure, so you can organize your back cable. Of course you do get that plastic kind of build, and you do get this very soft kind of ear hooks. And here at this side you do get some fins, which makes this a kind of a comfortable wear. So this very nice here. Of course in-ear kind of design, and you do get that MPOW logo. Actually pretty nice in terms of the overall build itself. Definitely feels more than what you're paying for, so that's why maybe this is one of the most popular earphones around. And of course yeah, you do get that kind of big lobe here at the side. It's not that big, I would say. It's just pretty okay, especially when you're exercising. You want that that stability on your ear, so this will be very nice. So you have this to have a stable fit in your ear. Also have this one, also have in-ear, so this might be something that you can really use for running. So let's try this quickly, and I'm gonna give you guys my initial impressions. Oh yeah, volume controls here at the top, and you have micro USB here at the bottom. And yeah, not a lot in terms of the overall controls. I'm trying it out. Alright, so pairing is pretty easy. You just need to push the button here, and actually the button here is pretty clicky also. Of course the button in the volume up and down is pretty clicky. So I'm gonna walk you through how this sounds like. So I'm gonna do a blow by blow on what I'm gonna listen to, and maybe the initial sound quality. So of course for exercising you would want to wear this for a long listening session, so that's what we're gonna try to figure out here in this sound quality. Okay, right off the bat, this is more of like a U-shaped kind of sound. It's not too bright, which is something that you like. It's a pretty balanced sound, but it has some bass elevation. Actually, a pretty good sound overall. It's not your super duper detailed kind of listen, but it does sound good. That's a boomy bass at the bottom, which makes this a fun listen. Vocals are pretty clear. There's some shimmer on top as well. And yeah, with that boomy bass at the bottom, this is a very enjoyable kind of listen. So yes, Flame 2, wow, I actually surprised on the sound quality here. This is pretty good. Of course, it's not your super duper detailed listen, but for $20 for what you're paying for, this definitely worth the price that you're paying for. You know, 13 hours of battery life, and you have that kind of sound quality with that very stable fit on the ear. This definitely is something that you should consider if you're looking for a budget exercise machine, wireless machine. MPOW Flame 2, the most popular actually in Amazon. If you want to get one, of course, use my links down in the comments below. Use my links in AliExpress and Lazada. And yeah, very nice kit from MPOW. I should review more of their stuff. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys for another zpoltunboxing. Goodbye.